Part 2 of the video. Do you have a poo-poo, Beta? Do you have a poo-poo? You don't have a poo-poo?
Sorry.
You're sorry?
Sorry. This is gassy.
Is there no poo-poo?
Good.
It's gone? Oh, I thought you had a poo-poo.
This hurts.
What hurts?
This is Mommy.
Oh, they're just scratches. Mommy's okay.
This what?
It's from gardening.
Good.
Yeah. Doesn't hurt. It's okay. Mommy's good. So what about this poo-poo? Is there a poo-poo?
No.
Why did you tell me? It's gone? Oh, well, that's good.
Don't. Book.
No, we're not going to read a book right now.
Socks.
Yeah, I don't have socks on yet. I will have socks on, but I raced in because you said you have a poo-poo. You have socks. You told Mommy you have a poo-poo.
No, it's gone.
It's gone. Well, that's a good thing, huh?
I can read a book.
We're going to go downstairs and have breakfast.
Bop, 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 bop.
Up, 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 up. Up. Yes.
Take me downstairs.
Take you downstairs?
Up, up.
Up, up, okay.